Hi guys, this is going to be a quick one. If you own the Rode Wireless Micro, I got great news for you. Rode recently released an update that makes it possible for you to use the Wireless Micro without the receiver. Let's get into it. Now, the first thing you have to do is make sure that your RØDE Capture app is up to date. If your RØDE Capture app isn't up to date, this is not going to work. So once you've updated your RØDE Capture app, the next thing you do is you grab the receiver from the casing and you connect that directly to your phone, and then you open up the RØDE Capture app. Now, first thing you're going to see is firmware update. Now, this firmware update is going to take roughly between 5 and 7 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up so we can get to the next process. Now, when the update is complete, you get a notification confirming that the firmware update has been completed. Now, the next thing we need to do is connect the transmitters to your mobile phone directly. Now, the first thing you do after the update is remove the receiver. Now, once you have successfully removed the receiver from your mobile phone, you get a notification that says direct connect to TX, which means transmitter. Now, basically what that means is that now your phone is ready to pair with your transmitters. Now, the next thing you do, and this is very important, you have to make sure that you remove both transmitters from the casing. This is very crucial for the next stage. Now you click on the direct connect to transmitter, and it's going to bring up a notification that says allow RØDE Capture to find Bluetooth devices. At this point, you click on allow. Now it's searching for the transmitter. Now, after a while, it comes up with another notification saying wireless micro, meaning it's found it. Now, good. Now it now says connecting to wireless micro. Fantastic. Now it's found it. Now you'll notice that you have a few options. Now you have transmitter 1, NR, transmitter 2, NR, and underneath you have channels. Now, one addition is now the noise cancellation. If you click on the transmitter 1, you get 2 options of noise reduction, either low or high. Same thing for transmitter 2, you get either low or high. Now, usually I would advise that the low is good for when you're recording in an indoor space, whilst the high is good for when you're recording outside, maybe on the road where you have tons of noise. But I guess it depends on you really. You define which one works for you. And underneath you have the channels. Now, with the channels, you have split or merged. You notice when you have split, it gives you 2 mono channels. There's one on the left and there's one on the right. If you click on merged, what that does is it merges the audio from both channels together. Once again, that's based on your preference, and that's basically everything about how to update your wireless micro. Hope this helped. See you guys on the next one. Bye.